it going to be looks like, the retrieving of the language corresponding to the power and also the company. So you can see here we have BMW. B is W, right? B is first letter before A. We don't have any A here. You can say we don't have any A. BMW. Secondly, you can see Bugatti. Bugatti. So obviously, first letter we have to check firstly. Secondly, we have to check second letter, third letter. If this is going to be matches together in the second letter also. So it's matching first letter. This is fine. But second letter, M is come first when compared to U, right? So at that time, we are going to be handled with BMW with power. This is the rank one. Secondly, you're going to be retrieve this information in the second row and try to debug this. Bugatti, the power value. So power value, it may not be matter because you already checked at the first condition. It will be matter. It comes under the same results, whatever we discussed in the rank. So rank. So let's go and jump on to the dense rank. So this is very straightforward, I would say. Dense rank is a similar kind of the rank function what we does, but it may not be skip. It does not skip the rank function. So whatever we discussed, if it is going to be tie up between the ranks, processing some of the ranks. So let's take a look on the syntax. This is very straightforward, I would say. If you understood the rank statement, how does that going to be helpful? The selecting the name, company, and also the power. You can see the rank over, rank on, or rank over, partitioning between the company and also the power. Using the order by, obviously order by is going to be helpful for the descending order. So let's check how does it going to be end up with without skipping off your data ranking. So you will get this value. Okay, you will get eventually this value. What will happen? Company with corresponding the power. You can see here BMW and also the Bugatti. And the next letter, it is skipping. You can see here. It may not be skipping. The power, the rank is 1. At the time we have seen the rank function, it will be skip this rank. This is the second rank, but it's showcasing as a 1, but it's skipping as a 3 for the next letter, right? So it is not skipping. All the rank are sequentially will come. All the ranks are sequentially will come. So that is a basic difference between the rank and dense rank. So in the dense rank, you cannot be get that much of duplicating kind of the thing. So yeah, so I mean, whatever the tie-up results we had, it will be comes to sequentially. Next rank will not be skipped at the time of assigning the second and third ranks. So what if I use the dense rank by while doing the some of the partitioning over, right? So we just use the partitioning over. We can also use the dense rank so that we'll get some idea how does that will be helpful. And also the row number. A row number is going to be very helpful if suppose you require a row. Okay, so suppose you require a row in your data set. Sequence number you can also call it as for that matter. So sequence number you required 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this for each and every row number. This is nothing but a row number, right? These are all the rows you required a rows. For that you can use the row number. This is very straightforward once you know the sequence number. The row number function will assign the values 1 and 2 those without taking any fact that they are going to be equal into the account. So such cases and such going to be help us in the row number. So if you go and see this syntax, this is very straightforward, whatever we learned in the rank. So instead of rank, we are just showcasing as a row number over order by power descending. That's it. So whoever having the power, it comes under with the unique kind of the recordness. You can see the power is a descending order. That does not matter with corresponding to the row number. This is a row number 1, this is a row number 2, this is a row number 3, this is a row number 4, like that, up to row number, row number, row number. So this must be unique, at the time you decided to write row number, the row number. So yeah, eventually what will happen, row number will be used to get some information retrieval. Row number is equal to 13, suppose, where I will write something called as row number is equal to 13. So in this places we are going to be use this function. Okay, so at the time it will be more integrated collision. And we can also see similarities between some of the rank, dense, and also the row number. So this is some of the you can say the functionalities and also the similar kind of the things. So all of them are required in the order clause, obviously, and all of them return the increasing integer with the base one, right? So whenever you want to be return any kind of thing, you have to increase the base number at the time. And also when combined with the partition clause, all the functions is going to be reset and written in the integer value as one. We already seen that, right? So if there is no duplication of the values in the columns are going to be used ordered by the class. So duplications is going to be helpful. It may not be helpful in the order by class. This function is going to be return the same output at the time. So let's see how does that going to be returned the different functionalities we had in the equal with respect to the rank. So yeah, this is up to the data frame, and these are all the functionalities we had seen right just now. So rank will going to be helpful whenever you require some kind of the rank information, and this is also dense will be the same, and the power also the same. And what if you're going to be get the difference between both these three? So see here, this is a basic difference between these all three. So eventually, what will happen? You're descending order with company and also the power, right? So eventually for the rank, it's going to be incrementing with respect to whoever having the second rank. This is some disadvantage with the n minus one completion. In the dense, it may not be do n minus one. It may not be increment or it may not be accepted to the next corresponding the value. It will be somehow the sequence kind of thing. Similarly, the row number, it's order, pair, you can say some serial number kind of thing. For each and every row having a must unique number. So this is some basic functionalities we're going to be used some of the cases with regarding the order by class. This somehow, even though duplicate records also column, you use it for the row number and such some cases don't need to record the duplicate values for incremental perspective, I can say. Then we can also move on to